EZCast Ultra U2, a wireless display adapter designed with high-performance wireless display, especially through Windows Miracast. EZCast Ultra U2 is equipped with dual antennas and Wi-Fi 6 for smoother, faster transmission and enhanced reliability. Inside the box, we have Ultra U2, power supply cable, HDMI cable, user manual. The Ultra U2 connects via wireless HDMI, powered by a standard USB-C cable. Just plug it into your TV's HDMI port, connect to power, and you're ready to cast. Traditional HDMI cables keep you tethered. With Ultra U2, users can wirelessly demo high-performance visuals in real time. No lagging, no wires. It supports Airplay, Miracast, DLNA, and Google Home. So no matter you're using Windows, Mac, iPhone, or Android, it works seamlessly across your devices. With 4K at 60 Hz, your content looks stunning, smooth, from vivid motion to pixel-level detail. Ultra U2 keeps your screen wireless and your experience seamless. Ultra U2 also supports YouTube TV protocols. You can easily watch YouTube TV on a big screen. In addition, the dual antenna design ensures stronger signal, wider coverage, and lower latency. Built for instant, wireless clarity, Ultra U2 brings your visuals to life on any screen with zero compromise.